Hi guys, we shall continue with the problems on Z transform using properties. So the sequence is x of n is n into a power n u of n. I will try to solve this. So solution, uh, the thing is, uh, we will let g of n, some intermediate signal, is equal to, see, either you call g of n as a power n u of n, or you can call g of n as n into u of n. Anything is fine. I repeat again, either you call g of n as a power n u of n. In that case, what is the Z transform? It is Z divided by Z minus a with ROC magnitude of Z greater than a, right? Or you can call g of n as n into u of n. In that case, what is the Z transform of n into u of n? It is Z divided by Z minus 1 whole square with magnitude of Z is greater than 1. So anything is fine. So here I will call g of n as a power n u of n. Okay. So what do I get as x of n? X of n is equal to n into g of n, right? Now if I take Z transform on both side, take Z transform on both side, what do I get? Z transform of x of n is equal to Z transform of n into g of n, right? Now what is the Z transform of n into Z transform of n into x of n? This is nothing but minus z into d by dz of Z transform of x of n, right? So multiplication by RAM property. So Z transform of x of n is x of z is equal to Z transform of n into g of n is nothing but minus z into d by dz of Z transform of g of n. And what is g of n? G of n is a power n u of n. Okay, so x of z is equal to minus z into d by dz of, what is the Z transform of a power n u of n? It is z divided by z minus a, right? And with ROC magnitude of z is greater than magnitude of a. Okay, so we'll continue with from here. So x of z is equal to minus z into, so this is of the form u by v. So what is u by v? It is nothing but v square in the denominator, v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v in the numerator, right? So v square, v is z by a whole square. So v is, sorry, z minus a whole square in the denominator, and v is what? V is z minus a differentiation of u, differentiation of z is 1 minus u is z, and differentiation of v and differentiation of z minus a, which is nothing but 1 minus 0, which is 1, right? Okay, so x of z is equal to minus z into, denominator is z minus a whole square, so z minus a minus z, z minus a minus z, right? And plus z minus z cancels out, minus into minus plus, so numerator is a into z, right? So x of z is equal to a into z divided by z minus a whole square, and ROC you have to carry magnitude of z is greater than magnitude of a. Okay, so this is the Z transform and ROC. If I take it to Z plane, so ROC is a circle with radius a and it is outside. So real part of Z and imaginary part of Z. So we will take up one more. Sequence is x of n is equal to n square a power n u of n. Okay, solution. So I can write this sequence as x of n is equal to n into n times a power n u of n. Okay, so I'll call, let n times g of n, let g of n is equal to n times a power n u of n. Since I'm calling n times a power n u of n as g of n, so you should know its Z transform. Okay, and we know that Z transform, which is nothing but, this is nothing but our previous problem, right? What was the previous problem? It is n times a power n u of n. So I know the result, so I can directly apply here. If you don't know, then you have to solve it again and you have to apply it here. Okay, fine. So what is x of n now? X of n is n into g of n, right? So if I take Z transform on both sides, so what do I get? Z transform of x of n is equal to Z transform of n into g of n. So x of z is equal to minus z into d by dz of Z transform of g of n, right? So because Z transform of n into x of n is what? Minus z into d by dz of Z transform of x of n, multiplication by RAM property. Okay, so x of z is equal to minus z into d by dz of, what is the Z transform of g of n? What is g of n? G of n is n into a power n u of n. What is its Z transform? Its Z transform is az divided by z minus a whole square. So it is az divided by z minus a whole square with ROC magnitude of z is greater than magnitude of a. See, I have solved it in the previous problem, so I am directly applying here. So if you don't know what is its result, you have to solve it and then apply it here. Okay. So x of z is equal to minus z into, so z minus a whole power 4. So this is of the form u by v, right? So v square v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v. So I'm done with the denominator, z minus a whole power 4. Now v is z minus a whole square differentiation of u. What is the differentiation of a into z with respect to z? It is a minus u. U is a into z differentiation of v. Okay, so differentiation of v is 2 times z minus a into differentiation of z minus a, which is 1 minus 0, which is 1. Okay, fine. So x of z is equal to minus z, let it be outside. So what do I have here? I have 1 z minus a, z minus a square is here and z minus a is here, so I can take z minus a common. If I take z minus a common, I end up with 1 z minus a into a, this term, minus of, so 2 times az, right? Because this z minus a I am taking common. This end up with z minus a whole power 4. 1 and here 1 cancels out. So x of z is equal to minus z into, what do I have? Z into a, az minus z a into a square minus 2 times az whole divided by z minus a whole cube. So 2 times az minus 2 times az plus 1 times az. So I end up with minus 1 times az minus 1 times az minus a square whole divided by z minus a whole cube, right? So x of z is equal to, I'll take a common and I'll take this minus inside. So I end up with az into, I'm taking, so z plus, since I've taken minus inside, so 1 a went outside, so whole divided by z minus a whole cube with ROC magnitude of z is greater than magnitude of a. Okay, so here I have 2 zeros at z equal to 0 and at z equal to minus a, and I have 3 poles, repeated poles at z is equal to a. So this is the Z transform and ROC of the sequence n square a power n u of n.